Well, guys, if you're checking out this video, you are either interested in Texitcoin and Iskander, or maybe just Iskander, which, by the way, they will soon be opening up the doors to any and everybody to come in, not just people that are in Texitcoin, because they've already burned everybody in Texitcoin and they are not seeing the same type of interest from people that have already been burned. How do I know this, guys? Well, we're going to step through some information in this video to help you guys understand what you can expect as investors moving forward, both in Texitcoin and in Iskander. Now, I'm going to share a post that, when I go out there and I leave comments on people's videos, a lot of times I'm starting to see them delete my information because it's like they're trying to gatekeep their community. They don't want you guys getting proper information. They want to push their narrative, push their rhetoric down your throats, and make you think this is a legitimate project and that is going places and that you're going to make some money from it. But check this, guys. I come out and I ask questions. So Team Texit had dropped a video. You guys can do a search on it, and he says 5-star intro plus testimonials. So this, guys, is like, hey, this is wonderful, this is great, and that's all they're gonna push to you. So I dropped a comment in that area, in that video, and I took a screenshot of it here. But nevertheless, this is the comment that I left, and it's beneficial for you guys that want to invest, and it's beneficial for those that are already in it. But this comment just did not survive that thread. So let's see here. I said, I got some testimonials, right? Since you want to talk about everybody else's testimonials, because you guys are only going to promote the positive, which is very few and far between. But I say, here are some real testimonials of people on my channel. And these testimonials are real existing users. The following users are either selling their minor seats or know others that want to sell their minor seats at discounts of 50 to 60%, guys. Understand, you have people that have been in Texitcoin, that are tired of Texitcoin, that are seeing their money go down the drain, and they want to get out, and they'll even take losses just to minimize their loss, right? So I give the IDs, the YouTube handles, and you guys can come out here and contact them if you want to purchase a minor on the low, right? And I say, check that out. And someone commented on that, and this resonated with me, guys. And this is why I'm dropping this video, because I'm trying to appeal to your logic, to your intellect, guys, so that you don't fall for these scams, okay? And he said, thanks for posting his name in here, okay? He said, you got a point. If they believe in Texitcoin, so why would they not buy mine from me? Because in this comment I mentioned, hey, if Briggs and all these other guys out here hyping up, they think Texitcoin is wonderful and all this, why not buy the mines off of the people that want to sell them at huge discounts, right? Because they don't care to get any more minor seats, right? Their whole goal is to get you guys to sign up under them so they can get money from you. Understand, people, this is just a sales tactic that they're using to take your money. And I've done in previous videos, if you go back and check, when you drop that $1,000 in, $400 is going, $400+ is going towards commission checks, right? So understand what it is you're getting into. Now, with that said, I do want to give you guys an applause, right? Because Texitcoin sales are continuing to dwindle. For the whole week last week, they sold less than 100 minor seats. So it's great that you guys are wising up, but do not start getting to the point where you are about to fall prey to this Iskander, right? We see the price of Texitcoin. This is Texitcoin here, and it goes the way of every crap token that gets a little hype, gets a little exposure. The price shoots up, and then gradually the sell-off begins, the price goes down, and then it stays down. So Bobby has made efforts, and his crew, he'll throw a few $100,000 out there, try to spike the price or whatever the case is, but you see there is such sell pressure, it's just going to continue to tank the price, guys, because you have to understand that they are continuously flooding the market with a token that costs them literally nothing to make. Right? They only need 1 or 2 miners to mine Texitcoin, guys, and they're mining Litecoin and these other tokens. So it really costs them nothing to make this Texitcoin. Nevertheless, they're issuing it on a daily basis, right? They're flooding the market with a useless coin and just hoping that you guys are dumb enough to fall for it and keep wanting to hold your tokens. Guys, I told you in a previous video, you keep holding it, you're going to end up selling it when it's less than a penny, right? And it's not going to be worth anything then, guys. So that's the path of you guys that continue to want to hold on to your Texitcoin and think there's hope for this project. I'm telling you guys, it's not. Now let's talk about Iskander. This is a straight up scam, and because Bobby has some type of leverage and has a little following of his little friends and recruiters and stuff like that, he's going to try to simulate this again. Now, who's the main winner when this happens, guys? This is Bobby Gray and his friends. It happened with Texitcoin, and he's setting the stage for it to happen again. The people that are going to be cashing out big time on Iskander is Bobby and his friends. And let me show you something, because I want to teach you guys something about how this crypto space is, or any investment, you know, really, stock market, commodities, whatever the case is, anything, drugs. Anytime something new comes out, you have people that come in and front run. They put in a lot of money with the intent on getting their money back plus returns. Think about this, guys. Now, I dropped a comment on this guy's video here, this Iskander Founders Club. So now he's promoting Iskander as well. Look like he's been in Texitcoin for a while. And, you know, I just dropped a little comment out here, and I'm like, hey, you probably delete my comment too, because I saw he deleted somebody else's comment. So I'm like, okay, I see where this is going. So of course I keep receipts. Nevertheless, he kept my comment out here, which you guys can come out and read if you want to. But the point of this is that he says this didn't come out of my mouth. This came out of somebody that's supposed to be in Texitcoin, right? He says Bobby and 7 other of his top tier friends. The interesting that he used those words, right, guys? His top tier friends put up $250,000 each to create a capital investment of $2 million to start Iskander. Now, keep in mind, guys, it cost them nothing to create this token, right? They already sitting on all these miners. All they got to do is take one of those miners, copy Texitcoin over to it, and change the name from Texitcoin to Iskander, and bam. I mean, it cost them nothing. The only real investment they might have to make is to possibly get it on exchanges or pay for influencers or things like that, right? But keep in mind, think about what this quote unquote honest money is supposed to be. They are making investments not to put money in your pocket. They are making these investments to put more money into their pockets. And their only way to do that is if they can convince stupid, ignorant people to invest in this project. Understand, that's $2 million up front, right? And these people, if in fact they did put in $250,000 each, right? They want a return on their investment, and they want it as quick as possible. Not only these people here, but I want you guys to check this out. And I made reference of it in this comment here, but I want you guys to see this video of Bobby saying this himself in this video here, Texitcoin update with Bobby Gray, January 29th, 2026. He makes this statement here. when he's selling these quote unquote miner seats, first of all, he's selling it at top prices, 27,000 upwards, so you can be in this quote unquote founder or be special or whatever the case is. He's trying to make it sound like wonderful, be on the Genesis block. All that is crap and BS. He's just trying to get you guys to put more money in his pocket, because that's exactly what's going to happen. Now, if people are stupid enough to put that much money in, understand, just like this 250,000 that 7 other people put in, so-called, they are front running the project. They are going to be getting their money first, guys. And where they're getting it from is from stupid investors. Okay. He says here, and he makes this claim, we're going to take the entire month of February and go up until March the 2nd, Texas Independence Day, you know, so that we preserve the order of the tree. I'm number 1. Samantha's number 2. Well, I guess Briggs number 2 now. You're number 3. So if you, and that's this other Josh guy, right? So he's already stacking up his friends to say, hey buddies, come in, give me your money. And we're gonna scam these ignorant investors. Come on, all you guys. And we're gonna take their money. Now, these are big players. They coming in, putting in supposedly $250,000 or $27,000 minimum, right? But for some of these seats, guys, he's saying that he's saving that until March. Again, I mentioned this in a previous video. Think about this, because those people that are sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars, they're sitting back relaxing and gonna watch what you guys do over the month of February. If you guys start investing in this heavily, then they're gonna see, hey, that's guaranteed money, because when I put my hundreds of $1,000s in, I'm gonna be able to tap into that money and get my money back plus returns. And while you coming out there putting out your little $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, whatever the case is, you're gonna be getting another crap token just like Texitcoin. You're gonna be getting that Iskander coin. And we see what happens with these tokens, guys. And if by chance the price does run up, you are really running a risk on that, guys. Understand this. You are really running a risk that the price will run up. If Bobby's able to pull it off, you might be able to cash in a little bit, but is it worth it? It's not going to be worth it. And then once one single whale decides to dump, he can literally take the price from here to 0 or close to 0. And you would have missed your opportunity to sell out, just like many people have done in Texitcoin. So here I am again trying to appeal to your mind and get you to understand logic. I mean, the signs are all over the place. This is the same clown that did Texitcoin. You don't think he's going to run this same game on Iskander? And if he's successful with Iskander, he's going to do it yet again. So they'll have tokens all over the place that are controlled and owned by Bobby Gray. Now, I'm not going to be sad if you guys lose your money to it. I ain't going to be frustrated with you. I'm doing this because I enjoy exposing scammers like this and warning you guys so that you do not have to be subject to this type of abuse and manipulation. So I encourage you guys, think smartly. Check out other videos I've done about Texitcoin, about Bobby Gray on my channel, and just do your research, not just on the project, but on this individual himself. And you'll notice that he has the exact same pattern of behavior that he had over a decade ago when he was with Mulligan Mint. Did the exact same things, and he's going to run off into the sunset with your money if you invest in this garbage. All right, guys, again, shout out to you for not playing the fool and buying into these Texit miners. But if you do want to get into buying the miner or whatever the case is, come out to this post and holler at any of these existing users because they have miners for sale. Why pay $1,000 when you can pay $500? Why pay $2,000 when you can pay $1,000 and get the same thing, right? All right, peeps, I think that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.